Wake... Hey! Why are you snoozing here while I'm running an errand for Tigreal? What's with that look? Get up, quick! The time for afternoon napping... Well, I'm interested in seeing just what a young...
Let's fight, friend.
Darkness shall not prevail.
I wish for peace in this land.
Meet your end! Energy blast!
I'm sorry. We meant you no harm.
I'm certainly impressed by your resolution and courage. Tigreal's
The commander has demonstrated an invaluable talent despite not having spent long with the knights.
Hey, haven't you seen my moves? Who cares about their command?
That's quite enough, Layla. With crisis facing the Empire on all...
I'm afraid circumstance...
The magic of justice!
Get off our land! Healing prayers for...
Energy blast! Heal to the...
I need to be stronger.
I'm sorry.
cross this river and we enter the moonlit forest.
It is a little odd. I reckon the commanders got it right. Perhaps the battle's getting intense, and Mia and the others...
Whoa, that sounded great.
Someone must be in trouble. We can't just stand... Stop right there!
Do you believe in miracles?
I'm destined to guard the forest.
I'm here to drive evil away. I'm here to drive evil away.
You can't get away from a moon elf.
Peace will be restored.
Damn it! Don't think you can stand before our forces and survive.
Smack talkers to the...
Thank you so much. Thanks, Gavanna.
What exactly happened here? Have the orcs and blood demons are...
Blood demons? I ran, not caring where...
You poor thing. Don't do...
Thank...
My friends, there's something very wrong about all of this.
You've got that right. Where are the blood demons? Was our information wrong?
The orcs became lackeys of the blood demons over 30 years ago. The war is even more perilous.
Darkness shall not prevail.
I won't fail my people.
The glory of the Empire never...
The magic of justice.
You can't get away from a moon elf.
Keep it up. Meet your energy blast.
Am I weak?
Violence is never...
The magic of justice. I need to be stronger. Peace will be restored.
Wait a moment. Shh.
Ah, that's... Balmond and...
You seem somewhat but I'm not interested in what you really think.
As you wish, Your Highness.
What are you two plotting about together? Let me...
Ah, stupid girl, so...
Ugh, looks like an irritating little songbird has flown its way over to... Balmond, you play with them now.
Leave it to me.
Crawl back whence you came, Balmond!
Oh, is that so? I wonder.
Do you believe in miracles?
The glory of the
Hey! How are things with you?